this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find duplicate photos in iPhone iOS 18. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. While browsing through your gallery, you might notice duplicate photos. These can be annoying because if you try to find all of them by yourself, it can take a lot of time. You will have to browse through a lot of different albums and so on. So, as long as you have one of the modern iOS versions, including iOS 18, it will automatically find and merge these duplicate pictures for you. So all that you have to do is open your photos or your gallery. Once you are inside of the Photos or the Gallery app, scroll down until you find Utilities. So on the main page, scroll all the way down, and under Utilities, you will see Duplicates. So you will see a number to the right indicating how many duplicate pictures were found. By tapping on this option under Utilities, you will be able to decide what happens with these duplicate pictures. So choose Duplicates and they will appear. They will be ordered by month, so the years will be listed. You will see the exact month in which they were found. They will be grouped like so. And whenever you find any of these duplicate pictures, you will have the options to merge them, to delete them, whatever you want to do. So if you choose merge on any of these, it will delete the lower quality one and it is going to keep the higher quality one. So it is going to essentially lower them down to 1 instead of 2. Merge will always try to choose the highest quality picture available. You can also use the select option if you want to select multiple ones, or even select every single duplicate photo to merge all of them at once. If you use the select all option, you will see the merge button at the bottom, or you can delete them altogether, whatever you prefer. If you choose merge, you will see this message. Duplicates include both exact copies that may have different metadata, as well as photos that appear to be the same, but may have unique resolutions, file formats, or other slight differences. Basically, there are going to be exact copies and copies that differ slightly. If you are unsure, just choose the option to merge all of the items and you will be good to go either way. You won't lose any of the original pictures, and it is going to reduce the amount of storage being taken up by these duplicates. So I hope I was able to help you when finding these duplicate photos. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring higher quality videos to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.